What up, world? What up, world? This is your boy. I guess it's gonna be a part two today, cause like I've been on this art kick right now. Like I've just been taking pictures of the day, and like yeah, it's really cool. Like it's graffiti. It's back around places where I've used to walk, or used to take a bike ride through. This, that, what have you. It's great artwork. I don't know who the Zoot character is, but he's been doing work for a while over here now. But it's cool as hell, and it's awesome. But yeah, I'm gonna show you some of it. That's one of them. Great work, naturally from afar. And then you got stuff. You got Read More right there, and then all sort of shit. Evidently this is somebody's crib. I'm glad they ain't here, so I won't be disturbing the peace. But also the extra, artwork. Like got this joint right here. I didn't even realize. Let me come back up on it. Bam. You dig? Don't know what to say, but I don't feel like really reading it right now. I'll come back to it. But then, we got a cat expressing his love. Oh, mi amor. I think that's the same people. Don't know. Look like kind of sort of. Yeah, same thing. Whatever. Got little pieces over here. Like, the one I like is on the far wall, but just like that one there. I'm gonna walk up on here on that on the second. Here in a second. Once I get my butt down. That's kind of steep. Oh, that's kind of fun running up. Then some people have made a platform. I might just jump it because I don't feel like doing all this climbing. But I'm trying also not to break my ankle all at the same damn time. But I know how to land though. I know how to land. I'm gonna stick it. Nah, I'm playing. You got this artwork right here. On me, time on blast. Whatever the case may be with that. But then this joint right here, I'm walking up on. Then over here at Kaufman Park, guess I'll let it be known now since everybody probably figured it out. It has some beautiful scenery. Not gonna lie about that. It looks beautiful. If you can actually take a look out in nature and be good about it. And I like this one right here. Cool colors. Rest in peace. You know what I mean? We are. Like I said, one of my favorite ones right here. What's up, fellas?
You drew that, bro?
Oh shit, I wish. Bad as fuck. I ain't gonna lie. Shit. I would've claimed it. But I ain't gonna claim it. I'd be stupid. Yeah, there you go. Well, I claim somebody else's work. That's just ignorant. Now, I got some good boots on. Got these steel-toe Reeboks. Always about good faster football wear. I've had these bad boys for a couple of years now, so hope I ain't disturbing nobody else's piece over here. Got clothes and shit. It is what it is. This shit hasn't been fucked with in a while, so probably been abandoned. Motherfuckers just left shit over here. But anyway, it's not my part to judge. Just real spitting. Everybody has their situations. I've been there, done that. I survived it, so I'm good with it. Sarah. I need to shut up. No, I'm playing. Forever and ever, always. Oh, how cute. But yeah, this is part of the city I live in. But anyway, I appreciate the time y'all took out. Check me out today. Always and forever. Another day in the life with your boy. Peace. I don't know why I decided to do that, but I mean, it just looks good. The trail right there, everything else. Ending little photo. Peace.